Good morning, everyone. Today our chapter is Clean is Beautiful, Cleanliness and Orderliness. Starter. We use many things to keep ourselves clean and also the place around us clean. Below are a few things which we use to help us keep ourselves and the place around us clean. Here you can see few things which keeps us clean and which help us to keep our place clean, like dustbin, mirror, oil, comb, towel, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, mop, broom, broom, broom and tray. Okay, now here is small activity. Write the letters of the above items around the child or around the house according to what they help to keep clean. Now we can see here photo of a child and picture of a house. We have to write letters of the above items which are used by a child or in a home. Now see here, first one is dustbin. Dustbin is used in home. We used to throw litter or dust. So we write here around the house D. D for dustbin. Now second one is mirror. Mirror is help us to see ourselves. So I'll write here M. M for mirror. Oil. Oil is used in hairs. Okay, so I again write here O. Now next one is comb. Comb is used to clean our hairs. So I'll write here again C. Next is towel. Towel is used by the child. So I'll write here T. Next is soap. Soap is used when we bath. So S. Soap. Next is toothbrush. Toothbrush is used to clean our teeth. So I will write here toothbrush, TB. Toothbrush. Now toothpaste. Toothpaste is also used to clean our teeth. So TP. Toothpaste. Now next is mop. Mop is used to clean a house. So I'll write here M. M for mop. Next is broom. Broom is used to clean the house. So I'll write here B. B for broom. Tray. Tray is used to collect dust. So I'll write here T. Now we have many things which help us to be clean. Most of all, we need to have clean habits. Clean habits help us to keep ourselves clean, our homes clean and public places clean. Things only help us to do this better. Keeping clean and tidy is not the work of maids or sweepers alone. They only help us to do it better. After using things and places, we must leave them clean for other peoples to use. Then we do this, we are being sensitive, polite and respectful to others. When we do this, if we keep a clean place and let other also use the place, so by doing this we are sensitive, polite and respectful to others. By doing so, we also help others and ourselves and others to be healthy and happy. So by doing this, we also help ourselves and others to be healthy and happy. Let us learn about public places are used by everybody. So everybody must share the duty of keeping them clean. Now public places are used by everybody, so it is duty of everybody to keep the public places clean. Some public places are markets, railway station, roads, streets, trains, buses, beaches, picnic spots, wash places, toilets, parks, gardens, stairs and terraces. We can keep public places clean by using waste bins or for fruit peels and wrappers. We should use what dustbin or waste bin to throw the fruit peels or wrappers. We should not spit along roads out of the windows of trains, cars and buses. This is bad habit. We should use using parks and gardens with care. When you go to parks and garden, we should not pluck flowers or do anything which would harm them. Not spoiling seats and benches. Yes, what happens in parks and benches? There are beautiful benches and seats to sit, but some of them, what they do, they spoil the seats and benches, so it cannot be used by others. Flushing toilets after use. We should flush toilets after use. Let us think about keeping clean and tidy. What happens if you keep yourself clean and tidy? Help us to feel good. You will feel good. Helps others to feel good. Others also feel good. Helps places look good. If you see the clean places, you will feel good. Clean and tidy habits help us look smart, neat and healthy. They also help us to be loving, thoughtful and respectful towards everyone. Now loving, it is shown in the form of a picture. Loving, thoughtful and respectful. I will do something about. I can keep myself clean and my work clean. I can keep my things neat and my home tidy. I can use waste bins at home, in schools and outside. I can use public places and things with care and concern for others. I can keep my neighborhood clean. Now what we learn from this chapter? Cleanliness and orderliness are needed to live a healthy and happy life. Thank you, students.